In this video, we are going to see how you can use BigQuery APIs to get top 100 buyers or top 100 sellers of a particular token on Radium Launch Lab. I will add the API links in the description. You guys can test it out on ide.bitquery.io. By just signing up on IDE, you will get free 10,000 points for testing. So let's get started. Here select EAP first, because Solana is in EAP right now. Then select Solana. Then select Dig Straight by Tokens, and in where we will put our filters. In where select transaction result success to be true, because I only want to accommodate successful transactions in my calculation of total buy volume or total sell volume for a token by a trader, and not the unsuccessful trades. So I have selected the success true for the transaction here. Now select trade. DEX protocol name is Radium Launchpad. Select mint currency is, and put here the currency for which you need to get the top 100 buyers or top 100 sellers. I have selected a random currency here. Now select the fields we need. Get currency details under trade. I will select mint address, name. You can select any of the fields. I'll select symbol also. And then select transaction signer, because we need to group the details by the transaction signer. And the grouping detail will be by volume. This is an alias name I'm giving it. Do summation of trade side amount in USD, because it might be the case that we don't have USD price for the primary token, so we will not have the amount in USD. Also select one more filter here, in where side type is buy. Basically, the signer will be buying this token which we have mentioned here on the launch pad. Now select the limit, count 100, as we want top 100 buyers, and order the result in descending order according to this field by volume. Now run this query and you will see the top 100 buyers. Now just copy this over to a new tab and you will get the top 100 sellers for this particular token only. Select here side type is sell. This means the trader will be selling the token which we have specified. Here select the sell volume, because we are going to change the name of this alias to sell volume, and everything will remain the same. Now if I run this query, I will get the top 100 sellers of this token. So these were the API to get the top 100 buyers and top 100 sellers of a particular token on Radium Launch Lab. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.